Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the view component. Okay guys, so what is the use of view component? Actually, view component is a small types of view you can insert into the single view. So if you want to design, if you want to make some creative design of your web applications, a single home page contain multiple categories, like you can say the product category you want to show on the home page. You want to display the product types, and the second section display some other things, and the third section display the other things on the single home page. So what do you think about this? So first of all, design a view component for this. So create a folder view components in which you can add two class, that is student view component. Remember that the last thing of your class is ending with the name view component. So here we have two class, that is student component and the course component. So student view component and course view component. Okay, that's it. And I want to show the both things, student and the course, on the home page with the total lists. So here we use view component. Okay, so you know very well how to get the data from the database table as usual, but we remember that here I use asynchronous task iView component result. Okay, so here we use iView component, and the method is invoke async. The method is also the asynchronous type. So here you know that use to return view, and one more thing, that class is inherited from the view component, not from the controller. Remember that class is inherited from the view component, and view component actually exists in Microsoft ASP.NET Core.mvc. Okay, so return view, and in which you can pass the list of the courses. So use await keyword, await underscore context dot courses. Sorry for the spells name mistakes of the course, dot to async list. Actually async list is actually available in the list asynchronous. Okay, because I want to transfer asynchronous data. And okay, entity framework is exist in the async. So you can add the usings, and here we use iView component result. Okay, now the course view model is ready. The similar thing you can do in the student, only some names are changes. So I copy and paste, resolve usings, application DB context inherited from the view component, and that is exist in Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.mvc, and this is the student view component. Okay, and last thing is courses is replaced with the students. Okay, and the tool list async is exist in Microsoft entity framework dot. Okay, that's it. Now after that you can open home any controller you want to see a view, you know that. So add view for both view components. So must to add a new view under the components folder. Must to take components of the name of the folder, components under the shared folder, or you want to add in the home folder of the view section. Remember that components hold two views. The first view is the student and the second view is the course. So you can take in the same folder as well as you can take in the different folders. So in the course folder, add the default.cs HTML file, that is the view section, and the template is the I want to take a list, and the model class is the course web application dot models. So now to add it, and in the student you want to add a student model, and in the also use the list of type. So use scaffolding is the list type, and take same name, that is default.cs HTML for this type, and you can take the default name, and the model is the student. Okay, so now the view component is ready and the view component views is also ready. So after that there is, but must to remember that the actually views is exist in the components folder. Remember again, components folder, the name of the folder is components. Okay, in the you know that the home controller is the first page of my application, and I want to show the both view component here. So use @await keyword with the component property dot invoke async method, and in which you can pass the name of the view component, that is the student. So the first data will show is related to the students, and the second data will show it's related to courses. So thank you very much for watching this video, and keep watching my all other videos which is related to ASP.NET Core, and I will provide you a better video tutorial. It's related to ASP.NET Core and something to else. Thank you very much for watching.